Learn word family. A t at a t at. Okay. K a t cat. B a t bat. F a t fat. R a t rat. Good. Next word is H a t hat. A t mat. Haika, make word with B. Yes. B a t bat. B a t bat. B a t bat. Yes, Aban, make word with F. Yes. F a t fat. F a t fat. F a t. Yes, Haram, make word with R. R. A t rat. R. Put your finger, bete. Put R a t rat. Sadia, make word with M. A t mat. A t mat. Yes, Musa, let's learn word family. Let's start. A t cat. Next. T bat. Good. F t fat. Next. R a t rat. Next. H a t rat. Next. A t mat. Very good. Abdul Hadi, make words with K. Yes. K a t cat. Very good. Yes, Ibrahim, make words with B. Let's start. B a t bat. B a t bat. Yes, Musa Faisal, make words with F. Yes, make F a t fat. F a t fat. Yes, Uzair Rana, make words. Put your finger. A t mat. A t mat. A t mat. Yes. K a cat. K t cat. B t bat. B t bat. F f a t fat. F a t fat. R a t rat. R a t rat. R a t rat. H a t hat. H a t hat. H a t hat. A t mat. A t mat. Ma, write down cat. K at cat. Fatma, write down bat. B at bat. B a t b a t bat. Adia, write down hat. H at hat. H a t hat. Yes, Arisha Irfan, write down mat. Write down M. Yes. A t mat. Mat. Wasim, write down rat. R a t rat. Fatma, write k and complete the adverb family. Very good. What is this? It's cat. It's cat. K a t cat. Isaac, write down b and complete the adverb family. Make a word. Write down. Yes. It comes bat. B a t bat. Write down H and complete the adverb family. H a t hat. Hat. Musa Faisal, write down R. And what is the sound? R. R. Yes. R a t. It comes rat. Rat. Good job. Zaron, write down M and make mat. What is the sound of M? Math. Write down seek. Okay, what is this? It comes cat. K a t cat. Yes, Ibrahim, write down b and make Edward family. Write down b b b b a t bat. Yes, Abdul Hadi, write down h. And let's read h a t. What is this? What comes? Hat. Very good. Good job. Yes, Uzairana, write down M. And read down. What is this? A t. What's come? It's comes math. A t. Math. Yes, Rohan Ahmed, write down H. H. A. It comes. Very good. Good job.